Hi, my name's Gabe. For this problem, we're asked to use a determinant to find the area of this triangle. So let's begin by noting that the area of a triangle is given by plus or minus 1/2 times the determinant of the matrix x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1, where the points x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3 are the vertices of the triangle, and this plus or minus is chosen so that the area is positive. So let's go ahead and let's find the area of our triangle. So let's call our first point, x1, y1, the origin, so 0, 0. So the first row of our matrix will be 0, 0, 1. Let's choose our second point, x2, y2, to be the point 3, 1. So our second row will be 3, 1, 1. And let's choose our third point, x3, y3, to be our last vertex, the point 1, 5. So our third row will be 1, 5, 1. Okay, so now all that we have to do to find our area is find the determinant of this matrix. And what we see is that it would probably be easiest to expand along the first row. So this is going to be plus or minus 1/2 times A1, 1 times C1, 1 plus A1, 2 times C1, 2 plus A1, 3 times C1, 3. Well, by looking at our matrix, we see that A1, 1 and A1, 2 are both 0. So these two terms cancel. So what we're left with is our area is going to be plus or minus 1 times C1, 3. So let's step over here to the side and find C1, 3. So C1, 3 is going to be negative 1 to the 1 plus 3 times the minor m1, 3. So this is going to be negative 1 to the fourth, which is 1, times the minor m1, 3, which is the determinant of the matrix we obtain by crossing out the first row and the third column. So if we cross out the first row and the third column, the matrix we obtain is 3, 1, 1, 5. And our determinant here is going to be 3 times 5, which is 15, minus 1 times 1, which is 1. So C1, 3, our cofactor, is 14. So now we can take this and substitute this back into our equation for area. So our area is plus or minus 1/2 times A1, 3, which is 1, times 14. Now, since 14 is positive, 1 is positive, and 1/2 is positive, and we want our area to be positive, we'll take the positive sign. So what we're left with is our area is 14 divided by 2, or 7. Thank you.